Why? It's like they can't get a break. This one is just a rough one. It hasn't even been 2 weeks since Hurricane Dorian ravaged the Bahamas, destroying lives and leaving over 1,000 people missing. A tropical cyclone carrying heavy rain and strong winds is nearing the islands, threatening to complicate Hurricane Dorian recovery efforts as the UN Secretary General arrived in the islands in a show of support. The new weather system is known as Tropical Cyclone 9, and it could continue to strengthen into a tropical storm, dropping up to 15 centimeters of rain throughout the weekend in areas of the islands inundated by Dorian. No, I don't even know what to say. It's like...
It upgrades. So,
it did?
Yeah.
It gone up now?
The name Humber.
It's...
That's what you're saying.
Jeez Louise. I mean, I heard that...
Humberto. Yeah, thank you.
Humberto.
Yeah. When it rains, it pours.
Literally, when it rains, it pours. I mean, these people... have you seen the footage?
What kind of name that? Humberto.
What kind of name is Gilbert? It's just a name.
Gilbert, you need.
And it doesn't matter what kind of name it is. It's just that it's going to come and cause damage. The waters haven't even subsided properly yet, and them getting more.
Oh, I'm nervous.
It's like Haiti after the earthquake when they got all of the...
I was listening to the radio yesterday and we got an update. 12 Jamaicans who were at the Abaco Islands were evacuated. But jeez, man.
I don't even know what to say. I don't know what to do. All we can do is pray and wish them well. I don't know what we can do at this point.
And ask for the people who are in areas that have been affected and are still there, move.
Move to where though?
The other islands, as far away from the damage as possible. I remember listening to this guy. He said he's been there since '64 and he's ridden out every single hurricane. No. So this one, no big deal to him. The man loses everything. Everything.
Yeah, that's one of the things I don't understand with us as people. We get warnings. We are told, don't stay. And for whatever reason, you just decide, say you're going to stay.
That reminds me of a certain part of Jamaica, a certain set of people.
Can't do that, right? Because once everything is damaged and there's no way for the first responders to get to you, and then no one can help you.
Yeah, but my thing is this. Think about the first responders. They have families too, you know. You're taking them out of their homes when they've given you enough warning to get to safety. Yeah. Come on.
Well, we wish you well. We are there with you in spirit. We don't know. I really don't know what else to do.
All right. On a lighter note, you know the movie First 50 Dates?
No, 50 First Dates.
First 50
Adam
Dates.
Sandler.
50
I
First
tell you,
Dates.
you're not
Dates.
a TV person. I'm not easy
Date
for you
50
today.
First.
No.
It's all right.
Watch
no, man, it's all right. 50 First Dates. I'm going to say First 50 Dates. That's on my show.
Adam Sandler.
It's Adam Sandler and Drew Barrymore, where Drew loses her memory. Well, and this is a nightmare for anyone to lose their memory. So one teenager lost her memory. Well, her memory resets every 2 hours.
Like for real?
Yeah, because she got kicked in the head.
You ever watch the movie? You watch the movie?
Yeah, man, I watch it.
It's the same thing though.
I wouldn't mind that though.
What? Come on.
I wouldn't mind that.
What do you mean?
Some things you just want to forget. Suppose you go out one night, right? And things never go well. Sleep, wake up, oh.
No, this is not that, right? This is not that. This is every single 2 hours of your life, it resets. This is insanity. I would be losing my mind.
How would you lose your mind
right
if you keep resetting? How would you lose it? No, I'm asking you.
Because you can't keep anything down.
Okay,
like you'll remember.
Then how would you know? How would you know that your mind reset though? Like how would you know?
Because she literally has to keep a paper of all the things that she needs to remember. She has tapes. Her name is Riley Horner. She's 16 years old.
She has no recollection of the day she suffered a traumatic head injury after she was hit in the head. Wow.
Yeah. You see? It's
crowd surfing. I tried that once, crowd surfing, when I was in college. She was walking every morning since believing it's June 11, the day her life completely changed. So the former student athlete from Illinois now has to keep detailed notes and photos with all her times. Yeah. And these things happen, like in sports, when you think about the American football, the concussion thing that happens.
The hitting of the head.
It's dangerous.
How is she going to move forward with her life? She don't know where her locker is. Everything she learned in the last 2 hours, it gone. If she moves on and gets a family, she's not going to remember her kids every 2 hours. No, sir. That must be crazy.
I mean, I'm sure they can find a solution now.
I don't know.
I'm hoping that they can.
Wow. Guys, let us know what you think in the trending topics. Let us know if you think you could live like that, or maybe if you have any ideas on how she can help
I think
herself with that.
I think some days Jamaica they're on a 2 hour reset.
All right, guys. That's it for the trending topics.
Especially with the boss man when drive through the media.